nga po pala yung mga judges namin.
Ito!
Maraming salamat. Sa nag-organize sa tournament na to. Kasi mga friends namin. Mga classmate namin. Tapos kung may matambay doon sa may fountain. Alvin Rain. Ilan din? Yan. Ilan din? Yes. Much has been said. Said you never leave. But it had to be harder than it had to be. So don't blame. Hey, you are part of this. Why it had to go? It's not about you or me. Cause been wrong. You've been held on. So maybe tomorrow will find. I said for the old days I left behind. This is an open door. I can better stand to see myself. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm crying out for help. Oh, Lord. Lord. How much has been said? Well, I never learned. Keeping my fingers crossed, praying for my luck to turn. But I can complain. I'm living it easy. Job's keeping me busy. I'm going crazy. Can't describe the way it felt when the left said your goodbye. Just seems crazy for me to think to my love a second time. But we all know how it all wrapped up in the end. So maybe tomorrow we'll find. I say for the old days I left behind. This world is up and over. I can better stand to see my fear. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm crying out for help. Just a brighter day. Lord. Just a brighter day. Nobody living behind street. How it is a big picture when your life's out on the line. I know the way I'm about to see what I see. Across the life always like I'm getting the book. Somebody on the top of all I had to do. Never came home, never said a word like you. No one ever said it's gonna be easy. Start over again. This time, let's right. Start over again. This time, let's get the fight. Burn it, yeah. Start over again, This time, let's make this right. Great job. Start over again. This time, let's get the fight. Burn it, yeah. You say I only hear what I want to. No. You say I don't know the time. Yeah. Sunday morning rain is falling. Spills of cover shades on skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. The twist of it the most that I give in. My things just get so crazy, living life is hard to do. And I was lightly hit the road, get up and go. If I knew someday it would lead me back to you. Oh, 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 that someday it would lead me back to you. That maybe all I need, like that she's all I see. Come and raise your voice, baby. Don't be slow on Sunday morning. I never want to leave. Fingers raised to every other line. Paint a picture with my hands. That may be all I need. I guess she's all I see. Come and rest your boat with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning. I never want to leave. But things just get so crazy, living life is hard to do. The Sunday morning rain is falling, and I'm calling out to you. That someday will bring me back to you. That someday it will bring me back to you. That may be all I need. I guess she's all I see. Come and rest your boat with me. Having no on Sunday morning. I never want to leave. Yeah, oh yeah, oh, 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 yeah, oh yeah, yeah, Thank you, thank you, thank you. Salamat. Yun lang.
Yes mo na yan, ha? Huwag ka na sasayaw.
Thank you, thank you.